So if you use Ableton Live, you'll be pleased to know we have just launched the new MacBook Pro covers for the 2020 MacBook Pros, both the 13-inch and 16-inch models. If you've got an older MacBook Pro, don't worry, we still have those on the website too, but this one specifically fits the new Magic Keyboard on the 2020 MacBook Pros. So let's take this out of the packet, put it on the MacBook Pro, and show you what it looks like. So all you do when you get the keyboard cover is just take it out of the packet, and because it's perfectly molded for the new keyboard, just simply put it on, lay it flat, and you're good to go. You'll see that each of the keys is color coded, and that helps you find similar tools in the same workflow much faster. And then each key has your keyboard's letter on it, the shortcut text, and a shortcut icon for Ableton Live. And not only that, it also protects your Mac against dirt, dust, and spills. So there you go. If you want to check out the Ableton Live MacBook Pro cover, check out the link in the description below, and I'll put a link there so you can check out one for yourself. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.